Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The month of Ramadan has many important events. Some traditions say that all the holy books, all the major holy books, 4 major books, like the Torah, and Zabur, the Psalms of David, and Injil, the New Testament, were all revealed in the month of Ramadan, including the Holy Quran, because the Holy Quran says very clearly, Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Indeed, we revealed the Holy Quran in the grand night, which Laylatul Qadr, which is in the month of Ramadan. So all the holy books were revealed in the month of Ramadan. Also, the Battle of Badr in second Hijrah took place in the month of Ramadan. I think, if I'm not mistaken, about the 17th of the month of Ramadan. The 10th of the month of Ramadan is the sad demise of Khadijah al-Kubra, Salamullah alayha. She is the most important and the most beloved wife of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and she is a muhsina of Islam. She has sacrificed a lot for Islam. So she passed away on the 10th. The birthday of Imam Hassan al-Mushtaba alayhi salam is on the 15th in the 3rd Hijrah. He was born in the 3rd Hijrah on the 15th of this month, and he is Sibtul Akbar. The word Sibt is used in the Holy Quran. Asbat is the plural, and Sibtain has been used for the 2 Imams, Imam Hassan and Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Sibtain. Usually the word Sibt is used for the older son of a prophet, or the one who will inherit his prophethood is usually used for Sibt. So the Imams, the 2 Imams, are successors of the Holy Prophet, and that's why they named Sibtain. And Imam Hassan al-Mushtaba is named as Sibtul Akbar, and the older son of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, or the grandson. On the 19th of the month of Ramadan is the morning of that day is basically the day when Imam al-Islam was struck by Abdurrahman ibn Muljim la'natullahi alayh. And then on the 21st is the martyrdom of Imam Amir al-Mu'mineen Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. 23rd is the Laylatul Qadr, or one of the 3 nights, 19th or the 21st or the 23rd. But 23rd is the most important night out of the 3, and that may be the night of the revelation of the Holy Quran. And there are, Jumatul Wada is the most important Friday in the year, is the last Friday of the month of Ramadan, which is known to be Al-Jumatul Wada, which is basically farewell to the month of Ramadan. So there are other events, deaths of some of the ulama scholars in this month, but I have tried to explain only the important dates in this month. So inshallah we will continue explaining other important dates in this month and other important events. Thank you for listening.